Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 trigger isn't working, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often arises due to a malfunction within the trigger mechanism, which can be caused by wear and tear over time or debris getting lodged inside. If left unresolved, it can lead to a complete failure of your vacuum cleaner, leaving you unable to clean your home efficiently. To fix this problem, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger mechanism. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and remove the bin from the vacuum. To open the device safely, locate the screws that secure the main casing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them while making sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry apart the casing using your flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips or the casing itself. Inside, locate the trigger mechanism. It is typically situated near the handle and can be identified by its distinctive shape. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the trigger, being cautious to avoid pulling too hard as this may damage the connections. Once disconnected, you can now remove the faulty trigger. Replace it with your new mechanism by securing it into the same position and reconnecting the cables. Ensure that everything is connected properly before proceeding. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Align the casing back together, ensuring that all clips are correctly positioned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but being careful not to over-tighten as this can strip the screws. Once everything is back in place, check if the trigger functions correctly by pressing it a few times. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your vacuum, ensuring that no debris gets trapped in the trigger mechanism. Additionally, storing your Dyson in a dry, dust-free environment can help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.